Express. Put it in your mouth and you never spit it out. Dad bod Express. Put it in your mouth and you never spit it out. Dad bod Express. Put it in your mouth and you never spit it out. Dad bod Express. Put it in your mouth and you never spit it out.
In 5, 4, 3, 2. Two. Check out my headband.
Yeah, Matt's in the club, guys. You want to be in the club.
This is rock and roll
Let
dad
us know.
bod. This is the dad bod express, rock and roll express version.
Philip Softcoal
James
and
Corner.
the Steel Cut Oats or whatever that we were. Remember our bluegrass band?
Oh yeah, dude.
Philip Soft Tickle and the Steel Cut Oats. Yeah, there's a little throwback.
So old Philip Tickles. I wonder how he's doing these
He's
days.
good.
All right, so we got something awesome today. I'm excited about this.
It's right here.
So
We got them all too, huh?
we just woke up. Yeah, dude, it's a lot of eating.
We looked, guys. These are not the best packed.
They're a mess, but this happens.
So you've probably seen them. These are the Buffalo Wild Wings Bird Dawgs. When they first came out, thought that's pretty cool. They got hot dogs. They're not. They're just chicken tenders in the shape of a hot dog. Good call. Now there's three
Sometimes when we're
flavors.
filming, we just roll with the punches, baby.
I thought
There's 3 kinds. You thought they were written on there, huh?
I did.
I know one of them is loaded. I remember that.
All right. So we've got. Hey, this was packed by Ed. Thanks, Ed.
Thank you, Ed.
We have one
Follow
that
us,
is the Buffalo Dog.
Buffalo. This, I would say...
No. This is the barbecue dog. That's the Buffalo Dog. And that's the loaded dog.
the loaded dog.
And these dogs are spelled D-A-W-G.
Because we got headbands.
Let's start here.
Start this one. I'm just going to set these aside then.
We've got
Like
the
we said, we'll
barbecue.
walk you through these. We'll probably pick which one's our favorite. You know, probably discuss if we do it again. What's the French fries in there?
French fries. One has a giant chicken tender, and the other.
Has a little baby one.
That's right. I doubt we're gonna eat these whole things, so I'll just take this little runt.
Yeah, guys, as much as I would love to just sit here and eat all this, I don't know if I'm going to eat every one of these either. Because each one is like...
I'll probably do like 2 bites of each.
Yeah, well, look at it. They're huge.
But hey, now that we got them out, let's show them that chicken tender difference here. That's it. I
He's
just
got a
got that
little bite in there. He's got a nugget. He's
Yeah, I
got an
got-
actual nugget.
I got a kid's one. Let's check them out.
Oh, something else we noticed before we started filming. We packed us a napkin each.
Yeah, one. I'm gonna stay messy. I like the barbecue sauce from this.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Was that a hair?
I'll go play that game.
No. What is the white soap?
I think it's some sort of ranch. Maybe even like a milk butter ranch or something.
I also like that there's this dry coleslaw in here. Gives it some snap.
It's delicious though.
It's really good. Imagine though. I can't think of a situation I'd order these.
We're just gonna be ready to fight with it. It's a mess.
We give that bad boy out of 5 stars.
Oh yeah. Out of 5,
We got 3.5.
I'm gonna go 3.5 as well for now. I want to taste the other ones, but that's remarkable.
I don't love a sweet barbecue like that. I don't mind it. A little sweet.
So for our next one, this must be the buffalo. I'm assuming that looks like buffalo sauce, and the other one looks like it's got a lot more things put on it.
Buff dog.
Buff Bagwell dog.
Here, I'll touch this chicken tender, so I'll grab that one.
Oh, I thought you were gonna. Here, I touched this one. It's yours. That's what I thought was gonna happen there.
So these look
Oh,
virtually
wow.
identical.
It's got a. Well, there's no French fries in this one.
Yeah, it's plus.
Oh, yours has a French fry.
Does it? Oh yeah, it does.
Somebody went fry happy, guys.
Yeah,
So
they
this,
get-
so this is the
The buffalo dog.
buffalo dog. All right.
Instantly better for me. I like that vinegary, kind of run of the mill hot sauce.
I sometimes do too, though.
Yeah. No,
Wow, that's not bad at all.
Oh, that's real good.
So if I'm sticking with that rating, well, I'm gonna get a couple more bites into this.
Mild buffalo is just a nice taste. I really like that. That's good.
I wonder. I mean, it would throw stuff off, but I wonder if they could start exploring a little with different sauces on it.
Yeah,
Like
like
you
do
could
it.
order the
Like you can
sauce to put
choose.
on it.
We'll get a blazing dog. I bet we can make him do it. Tell him who we are.
And be like, "That's nice, sir."
Yeah, we don't do that. I'm gonna give this a 3.25, 4.25.
So far,
On the bod scale.
that's my favorite, and I am going to give that a 4.5 right there. I figure if we lay him, turn it. Well, it's not going to matter.
No.
I might want to finish a little bite of this later or something, and I don't.
You're
Well,
at the
never
top, so
mind.
I'm the bottom.
What's it going to matter?
It's like the Pride Whopper.
Probably
Well, no, not a tip of the cap. So we're doing a loaded dog. I bet it's gonna be too much. I bet I don't like this.
It looks busy. It looks very busy. It looks kind of like the messiest one too, as far as the packing, but we'll figure that out. Looks like you got onions. You got fried
Grilled
onions,
onions, some shallots,
some shallots in there. You got a little sauce action.
a lot of sauce.
Some-
Sauce must just be cheese.
Yeah, some sort of. Oh, I bet if it's loaded, I bet it is a cheese. Almost like you'd load a potato, you know? 'Cause it's not a very strong smell to the sauce. So.
I am a fool for cheese.
I'll be honest, I'm a fool for fried onions, dude. They're so good.
I'm thinking this might be like a queso.
It's not bad though. It's pretty calm compared to the last one. The last one, I can still feel the heat from the last one.
Something stinks. Doesn't taste bad. There's a weird smell.
Might be the onions.
Could be. Huh. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't feel bad about it.
I'm gonna do a little house cleaning here, change some stuff around. I'm going. For me personally, now that I thought on it, 5 out of 5 on the buffalo one.
Okay.
I like it a lot. I'd order it. I mean, it depending on what I was doing.
Mm-hmm.
But if it was just me, I'd order one of those. Buffalo, I would. This isn't bad. It
It's got
just
a
tastes
mustard.
different.
There's a mustard. I just ate the
Oh.
bottom of it.
Oh, mustard.
Yeah. Interesting.
Oh yeah, there is mustard.
I'm going to keep buffalo at 4.25.
Yep.
I'm going to move up the barbecue. No, I'm going to leave the barbecue at a 3.5. And I'm going to give this a 3. That's where I'm at with these.
I think I'm there with you. Except for, I mean, as far as the rankings, I think my numbers are different, but definitely I'm putting buffalo on the top.
Yeah.
And then I would go with, what was the first one? What was it?
The sweet barbecue.
The sweet barbecue dog was actually pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, this isn't bad, but it's something's got to be third, and it's this one.
This is too much.
It's a lot.
It's too much.
Then again, probably most people don't order one of each, and then
No, I got like the food sweats.
yeah, I got them
Right.
already.
Thank God for our headbands, huh?
Yeah, guys, what do you think of them, huh? Tell you what, she's snug. Got my brain tucked in tight.
Yeah. We got a lot of hair.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I need a haircut.
Me too.
But guys, I'd recommend these. They're not bad. You should try them.
You don't get a bunch of them. They're
No.
filling.
And for what I've seen, they're actually to get a single one's not badly priced either. They're pretty decent price. I think it's like maybe $5 or something like that. $5 or $6 for one, or you can get like 2 for $12 or something like that.
Yeah, I was gonna say I paid 2 for $12. They came with fries. We didn't eat the fries.
Too much.
I didn't know I was ordering them with.
But hey, so if you guys get out there, you're at the old Bird Dawgs, if you will. It's the
Tell
cool
them the
kids.
bod sent you.
Tell them the bod sent you to the
Dubs.
Dubs.
And you want to try the dogs.
The dogs. The bod sent you to try the dogs. The
Maybe
Dubs.
if you're lucky, Ed will do it for you.
Yeah. Old Ed.
Well, comment if you've tried them, if you like them, what you thought was the best, and if you have tried them, share this video so other people know to try them.
And we didn't really dip into Wild Wings that much, so I hope that they have some other cool stuff coming.
Oh, they got
some
some coming.
flavors.
They got some stuff coming. I've heard.
Well, I hope so, because I like it when they switch it up a bit.
Me too. Maybe we'll get a new Blazing soon.
Ooh.
Last one was very underwhelming. Remember?
Yeah, it was. It's maybe Carolina Reapers too.
I don't believe them.
But anyways, as always, you like,
Share,
you subscribe.
comment,
And if you got questions, comment the questions.
and hit us up on Facebook, Instagram. We have a Twitter, but we've never done anything with it.
Yeah, it's there though. It is there. And Farmers Only, we're on there. I think.
Get it, Riff.
Get it. Toot toot.
What a